So today, oh my god, ang baba, okay. Today we are going to buy my Vanity table. Actually, sa Mandawi phone. It's just a console table. Kasi yun lang yung kasha sa space na room ko. But anyway, so today we are going to go to Mandawi phone to buy the table. I'm just gonna get ready. This top is from Shein if you guys are finding for this top. It's in my Shein haul. The link is there. I'm using this pocket bag. This is so cute. Look. Just gonna put here my AirPods. And then power bank in a cord. So yeah, I think this is the only things that I'm gonna bring because I don't need to bring a wallet. I'm with my parents. So yeah, but usually this isn't the only things that I bring in my bag. When it's normal, I bring a lot of stuff, but since I'm just going out very short and quick. So right now, we're just here in Circabas because the hot. Salit kami ng car kasi hindi kasi yung console Vanity dito. Salit kami ng car, that's why when I took the footage of when nasa car, malaki na siya. Nice Dunkin'. I've been craving for this last night. Hey guys, so I'm already home and nakita niya yan. We are going to remove that later. I'm gonna put that outside at my door lang. Kasi shoe cabinet yan and stuff. So we are going to put our tea table there. And yun pa lang, hindi ko pa siya mo organize kasi wala pa akong stuff. Next time, when I have the stuff, I'll eat muna because I'm hungry. Later at night, we are going to put the table there. So we have strawberry wild and banana berry. I'm not sure, ano ba to? Something berry. So as you can see, I put there a marker. This marker was there like months ago because I was deciding on what size to put. Now we're going to remove that. Okay, now it's empty. We already removed the cabinet. Now we are going to put the table. Hey guys, it's the next day. Oh my god. And I bought already a chair. Originally, dapat stool kasi ayoko pala ng mababa. So, mataas siya. So, sorry, ang dagit ko. Anyway, so, I got this chair. This is from an IG shop. It's so cute. Like, see? May plastic po siya. Hindi ko tatanggal. There. So, sakto naman yung height niya. And it's adjustable. So guys, I have some packages that arrived today. I think it's my mirror and my organizer. So let's open it up so we can fix the vanity already. I'm so excited. Hello. I'm going to open this package. Next, we're gonna open this package. Acrylic organizers. Okay, so far, this is how I organized it. For now, I have a little makeup because I decluttered recently. Konti na lang yan. Also, skincare. Just had to, declutter since it's quarantine and I don't really use some makeup because I'm not going out. Yeah, so far that's it. And this is the Vanity overview of the Vanity. So yes, that's it for my organizing. If you guys want me to do an updated Vanity tour, like months after or maybe like a year, I will gladly do it for you. Just comment down below. And that's it. Thank you for watching. That's it for now. Bye!